Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Success with Buddy Boome. Thanks for stopping by my channel. It's a little bit different saying that. I was formerly saying Boome's channel, but I wanted to kind of change my name to something that's going towards what my journey is with what I'm doing. So this is your first time watching my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for stopping by. My name is Buddy. I am from Northwest Washington, and I am a single dad with 5 children. And I've been in this make money niche for just about 11 years now. And so this video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to step out of the I am niche for a minute. And what I mean by I am niche is I'm talking about internet marketing. My videos are normally about making money from home and then different systems and how to get more leads, more sales, how to, stick out differently from everybody else. So I have a lot of marketing systems, a lot of picks and shovels that I share. And this one's going to be a little bit different, but at the same time, it's going to be the same. I'm still following the same mentor. This mentor with this brand new launch is about the law of attraction. And this really resonated with me. And the person that created this in general, I resonate with him in a lot of different ways spiritually. I like where he is spiritually with what he talks about. And he's a real person. He's a successful entrepreneur, retired himself. And so this is a brand new program. You guys can be the founders of this brand new program. And this is a program that's about the law of attraction. And you can become a member. This is a membership program. And we meet up every Monday and Thursday. For right now, I believe it's Mondays. We get to meet up every week and kind of like a chat room setting and talk about the law of attraction and manifesting your lifestyle, manifesting your income. And this really resonates with me right now because, I know, you guys know that I said in the beginning, I'm a single dad. I struggled with my marriage, dealing with a mentally ill person. I tried to stick it out. And now I'm catching the backfire of it. I never really talk about my personal stuff on here. I try to leave my personal stuff away from what I'm trying to do with my journey, but it's kind of hard because I'm a real person. I'm a real dad. I have real struggles. I have two teenagers that I'm struggling with right now. And I mean struggling. I'm going through some shit with them. And, a lot of it's backlashing because me and their mom separated, getting divorced. And because of the pandemic that did not help at all with my kids being stuck at home for, the whole year, then all of a sudden having to go back to the school setting. And I can't put myself in their shoes because we never dealt with a pandemic in the 80s and the 90s. We never had to deal with that. And this generation is just different in general. I was outside a lot. I was out playing ball. If we had a pandemic, I would be in the gym playing basketball, working on my game. That's what I would have been doing. If I would have bounced back, 30 almost 30 years ago, that's what I would have been doing. But, law of attraction, I believe in it. I know that there's something out there beyond myself, something bigger. And if you really take a deep look at the successful people, they all have something in common. They all have a certain blueprint that they follow. If it's not exactly the same, it's kind of the same thing in general that they follow. That means that they set goals, they have a vision, and they speak that vision, manifest it into a reality. Everything around us was a thought at one time. This car that I'm sitting in was a thought. There had to be a blueprint. The job, the building that you're sitting in, it had to be a blueprint. The seats that you're sitting on, the clothes that you're wearing, everything was a thought at one time, and it was manifested into a reality. So I really do believe that we can manifest our income, our lifestyle into reality. And that's why this program resonates with me. This is called the imanifestmyreality.com. It's a law of attraction membership. And this is my capture page, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you my capture page, and I'm going to show you what you get if you decide to lock arms with me and join me in this membership. That's up to you. But this is called I Manifest My Reality by Hutchinson. And this is my capture page I made. Let me know if you guys what you think about it. I'll show you the original page. Uncover a newfound personal success using laws of attraction to manifest your lifestyle. It's a $25 law of attraction membership. Okay, so you're gonna get a membership for this. You're gonna get some knowledge. You're gonna get to pick a brain of somebody that's successful. There's some videos, library, and it's small right now, but it's growing. This is brand new, guys. This is brand spanking new. This is a brand new program. So there's still things being added. Add your own pay link. This is an affiliate program. You get to add your own pay link. Okay, so if you have Stripe, you can make a pay link by choosing or going to Buy Now Plus and doing a pay link and adding it to your account. I'm using the Wave app. The Wave app is pretty simple. You can set it to any account. I have it set to my prepaid account. So you get to add your own pay link, and it's 100% commissions program. You get paid every week. This is a weekly membership. It's kind of similar to something that I was a part of before. $25 per week per person every single week. You get paid peer-to-peer. So one person is equivalent to $100 a month. So 20 people in this program, that's an extra $2,000 a month, guys. Okay, so you learn how to manifest a residual income and create your own lifestyle from a millionaire mentor. We meet up every Monday and Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Like I said, only 20 people. That's an extra $2,000 a month, but there is no income cap. You can go to 50 people. You can go to 100 people. $10,000 a month for just 100 people. Just 100 people. There's no complications to this compensation plan. It's peer-to-peer, direct sales. No MLM, nothing. There's no legs or nothing like that. And this is an international, worldwide membership / opportunity. My battery's going dead. And one thing I'm learning, I haven't been able to make a video for a while because I've used so much memory making videos, and I've been trying to clear my storage up in my phone, and then on my laptop, the Screencast-O-Matic is it's not working for me with YouTube right now. So it's been a while since I've been able to make a video. So this is my capture page, guys. You can fill in your name and email there and phone number. And yes, I want to become a founding member in the brand new Law of Attraction opportunity. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My social media icons are down below here. You can tap any one of those and it'll lead to my Facebook, my YouTube, my Instagram. I don't so much go on Instagram or Twitter, but Facebook and YouTube, I'm on there all the time. So you can connect me on Facebook, add me as your friend, and you're going to see the same video with this Law of Attraction. You're going to see the same video that you're watching on my capture page. I put the same video on my capture page, and this is the membership. This is the page that Hutchinson made. Okay, so this is where you're gonna create your account. Okay, so that's the same video. It's up to you if you want to rewatch it. Put your name down here and put your email and create a password. Okay, then you're gonna go check your email out. And I noticed on this page, if you're checking it on a mobile phone, it doesn't show your text, but it's in there. I noticed on my laptop, I can see the texting, but this is how you're going to create your account. Okay, so the Law of Attraction, imanifestmyreality.com. That's the official page for this. My page is I manifest my reality. I manifest my income.com. That's my domain for this page. So you create a free account. It is $25 per month for admin, once a month admin fee, and that is due at the first of the month every single month. It's not 30 days from when you started. It's every first of the month. You pay admin fee of $25, and then that's for the membership. And then to be an affiliate of this, you're going to pay $25 peer to peer, person to person. So in a nutshell, it's $50 to get started, $50 to be all in, and then that positions you to get $25 per person for this. It's a law of attraction membership, and it's also an affiliate program. So this is different. It's kind of different than the internet marketing thing. This is a membership we're going to be a part of. It's brand new, and you're going to be able to be a part of it. This is a new launch. I feel like this is going to go a long ways, because this niche in general, law of attraction, it's a good, I believe it's a good place to be, or a good niche to be at. I'm going to learn how to manifest your own income in your own lifestyle with this program. You get a membership. We meet up, Mondays, and you're going to be able to see a library of. There's going to be a library of videos you're going to have access to. Right now, the library is not like huge right now, but Vic is adding people in there. This is what your back office is going to look like right here. We log in. I'll show you guys what the back office looks like. Okay, so when you get new people on here, this is where you're going to see how many opt-ins you have. And this is going to be your monthly income potential. Okay, so the admin fee, $25. The weekly member fee is $25. That's how you get paid member to member. And you get to add your own pay link here. And then you got a traffic training on here. It shows you how to get traffic, how to get people in front of your opportunity. I'm doing YouTube review videos. I'm putting them on safe lists, email marketing, and Facebook. And also, you're going to be able to, kind of piggyback off of Vic Hutchinson's Facebook page. He gives you stuff to post and image posting. He's going to show you how to image post, and, just